In this video, I'm going to be talking about this question that I get asked, that can a hiatus hernia go away by itself? Now, I'm a surgeon and people come to see me with problems related to hiatus hernia as the last resort. Nobody wants to go under the knife. There are risks involved. And of course, I understand that there is pain and uncertainty about long-term results. But let me tell you, a hiatus hernia is just like a hernia anywhere in the body. A hernia means there is a tear or a gap in the muscle which has caused the contents inside to actually start to bulge outside. Now, in a hiatus hernia, as you can see in this picture over here, the contents are going from the abdomen, which is below the diaphragm, to the chest, which is above the diaphragm. And the gap or the tear is actually in the diaphragmatic muscle itself. And therein lies the solution as well. Just like when there is a tear or a hole in a bucket, the only way you can fix it is by patching it. And generally speaking, the patch has to be from inside, which is where the high pressure area is, so that whatever you are using to patch against the wall is held over there to hold it by the pressure of the contents. So I hope this makes sense. In this context, what we are doing is, when we try and bring the hernia down, or in the case of a rolling hernia, when we bring it down, we generally use a piece of mesh to patch the gap, which is, first we bring it together and we patch it with a mesh, and that mesh is generally put from underneath, because this is the high pressure area which is causing the stomach to go up into the chest. So in summary, the hiatus hernia cannot repair by itself. There is no medications that you can take that can allow you to fix the hernia magically. Unfortunately, for some, this does require a surgical intervention, and these days we do it with keyhole surgery. In some instances, we use a robot as well, but in my experience, a keyhole operation has got good outcomes by repairing this hernia with mesh, and also creating a wrap which is called as a fundoplication, which is a wrap of the stomach around the part of the esophagus which has been brought down. So I hope this video makes sense, and if you do wish to stay in touch with me in relation to further videos of this nature, do subscribe to my channel.